Hello, you beautiful divine soul. When we're looking at all the parts and pieces that make up our soul's gifts and the gifts of our soul that we're meant to bring through in this lifetime, the soul's specialties and the life themes can give us a lot of information about how we're meant to operate. So when we're looking at the soul specialties, there are quite a few different categories in which our soul will specialize. This is a realm where, whether we're in a body or we're out of a body, our soul is doing very specific work. So, for instance, someone who is a soul escort is going to be helping souls in the birth and death transition. So when you're in a body, this may be birth doula, end of life doula, or someone who's helping people through major life transitions. When you're not in a body, this is a soul specialty where you are literally helping people navigate back and forth in the earth field. There is also the nurturing processor. This is someone who really specializes in helping other people process their experience. So just by talking to people with this gift, we receive a lot of just healing and sacred space to really put our experiences into order and be able to heal from them. There's also ethicists who help us stay rooted in what's fundamentally right or wrong for us uniquely in our experience. There's dream masters. These are going to be people who are working in the plane of dreams and maybe working in that realm on behalf of other people. There are explorer souls who are meant to have a lot of travel in their life, as well as exploring their experience and going deep to really understand and learn more. And there are quite a few other soul specialties. And so when we can find a little bit more about how we're meant to specialize, it can really help us understand more about ourselves and really value what it is we're here to help other people with and how we're meant to navigate our own life. Our life themes are going to be qualities that we're here to work with while we're in a body, in this life. So these are going to be things like abundance, love, self-worth, empowerment. And these are themes or qualities that we may well be working with on both sides of the stick. So if your life theme is empowerment, you may also be working with disempowerment. If your life theme is abundance, you may also be working with lack. And so it's really about having a really good idea of the quality and of the theme or the lesson that you're here to work with so that you can fully see the range of that quality. Because just like we can take a trip to Cancun and have an amazing time laying on the beach, or we can take a trip to Cancun and get food poisoning and it rains and we never get to go to the beach. You can have both ends of the stick and both experiences, but it's the same quality. So when we can really orient ourselves to what our specific life themes are, it can help us come into that positive side and really align with the experience we want to be having with those life themes. If you'd like to learn more about your own soul's gifts and how you can work with this energy for yourself, click the link below for your free soul purpose guide. Thank you so much for being here. I'm wishing you all the best.